This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock messages on your Android phone. So this is easy to do. What we want to do is just go to the messenger. So we can see messages right here. Go to your little profile picture. Tap that. So if you have anything blocked, you can just go to spam blocked and their name will appear right here. Just go to their name and there will be an option to unblock them. Then we can go to the top right. We can go to blocked numbers. If you have any blocked numbers, they will appear under this category as well. Just go to the minus symbol next to their name, and you should be able to unblock them here as well. So spam unblocked. Then there could also be something under archived messages that you might have accidentally hit. So you can check this out. So archived conversations will appear right there. And then just go ahead and unblock them, and they'll be returned to your main message area right here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below.